Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have taco pizza.
Here, the first lady said taco pizza.
Pizza, pizza.
Pizza,
No,
pizza.
this is not Little Caesars. This is AKA No Quiero Taco Bell.
Pizza.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap. Yeah.
We're back. I know you missed First Lady outfit of the day, so you know what? You could love it today. You know? Love it today. I give you the chance to love it today.
Oh Lord.
Yes.
So on this Mexican pizza, I did see B Love do a video on this, and her pizza was filled to capacity. It looked delicious, but I just kept mine simple with some refried beans, some ground chicken, and seasoned it up with some Everglades and seasoned salt, and then I added some taco seasoning, and I put some Mexican cheese on top, some enchilada sauce, and
A lot, girl.
yeah man, and some green onions on top just for a little pazz or pizzazz.
Can we eat?
We can eat.
There you go. That's all I want to know.
So I tried to make mine crispy because I do like thin shell. Ooh,
Yeah, give it to her. Yeah, a little bit. There you go.
that's how it looks. Yeah. So, do a thumbnail, honey.
Love the thumbnail of your phone.
That's good.
This is delicious. This is spectacular. This is good.
It is perfect.
That is perfect. Perfect.
I haven't had
Perfecto.
I've never had Mexican pizza before.
Me worse.
Even when they had it at Taco Bell,
Never.
I never had it. So when they discontinued it, I was like, okay.
This tastes good. And it's crunchy.
Yeah, some parts of it is crunchy.
First lady, when you try something and you make it, it's good.
It was good.
Look how fat this is. It's stick like First Lady.
Richie approved.
Wow. This is good.
Yeah, it's good.
Right, sour cream supposed to go in there too? Drop me some right here, please. Give me some. This is good. I ain't gonna lie, no cap, son.
Where you wanted that? Right here?
Drop it in here. Alright, stop. No cap in me, this was good.
Here you go, Tamia.
Thank you,
That's what you come for?
Sour cream. This one is really good.
Thank you.
You hear them? They approve it too.
When the kids ate it,
Wow.
Sasha, it was like, wow, this is good. I was like, okay, good. And what I did was, when it finished baking, I let it sit for a little bit just to set. So that when you take it apart, it's not like everything is oozing out, you know?
Wow. This is delicious.
I can't do it with the sour cream.
Family. Yeah, this is good. It's a go.
It's a go-go.
I never had this neither. My first time. Wow. So how y'all doing? How was your week so far? Y'all missed us? No, y'all didn't. I know y'all didn't. You ain't miss us. We missed y'all though.
We did.
We always miss out. We just got a lot going on right now, you know? Right, First Lady?
We do. Because
Wow, that's good.
we're just trying to get some stuff done.
Mm-hmm. Yep. We are. So, you know. Which one is good?
It's mango?
Iced tea mango. I never tried that one.
Yeah, that's what I have. I have mango and then I put some, I did some mix up today.
This is good hell. I ain't lying, B. I will order this again from you.
You ordered again?
From you, definitely.
Now, I'm curious how it tastes on Taco Bell. I'm curious now.
Yo.
People showed videos of it, about it too.
Really?
On Taco Bell's pizza. Taco Pizza before they discontinued it. And it was not as full. It was like
That's what I'm
big.
saying. This is full.
There's a lot of meat in here I put.
Family. I ain't capping, B. This is full to the brim. I love it like that. I love it like that, family. Christmas is right around the corner.
It is.
I be seeing everybody doing their little, what you call it, vlogmas? That's what it's called? Next year, we gonna do it.
Yeah, we're gonna do it next year.
Yeah. This year we're just too busy. Huh? We were gonna do it, but we got a lot going on, as you said before. So,
And plus, we wasn't prepared.
yeah, I'm good with it.
So, that means, you know, we want to have something different every day,
Yep.
you know?
Show you.
So, to me, and now bring back the sour cream.
Show a crazy life. Right, First Lady?
Huh?
What I need? How about this?
Sour cream.
I need sour cream. I
I
need this.
do. Tamia?
This joint is good, son.
Thank you, baby. Tamia?
Look at that. Dripping. Full. Wow.
Oh, come. It's very good.
Come on, Sasha.
Spectacular.
Come on, Sasha.
Oh, you was in here?
No.
Oh.
Sasha.
Oh my gosh, that dog.
Come here.
Come on.
Sasha. Here.
That movie up?
No, I'm moving. She was hoping to sneak in here.
Wow. This is bad, B.
I don't know how come I've never made this before. I don't know.
This hitting, B. Damn, I love it so fat. Damn, it's fat.
Every time people feel
No,
when they eat our food,
Listen.
like Jamaican food,
listen. This is good. I'm gonna lie, and everything just nice, soft, delicious, seasoned. Huh. Wow.
don't mind your business. Mind your business. Don't look over here.
I ate off 1.5 taco pizza,
It don't matter.
right? And you're still on one.
Yep.
You see that, family?
Cause I don't know who you rushing to eat your food with.
Every time I put my food to the camera, I drop. Somebody want it.
I know it's only gonna eat one pizza. That's a big pizza.
I like it because it's full of stuff. You know how I like my joint. Full. Here. I want to put you in there first. They take one more bite before I devour it. Look at that. There we
Look
go.
at it.
Nice. take one bite before I finish it.
Have you guys ever had the taco pizza at Taco Bell? Let me know because I feel like I'm lost.
For real.
I feel like I'm in the
Taco Bell ain't got nothing on this. Real talk. I told you, all you need is the blueprint. If you get that blueprint, it's a wrap.
When I saw it on YouTube, kind of the neck, honey.
When you saw YouTube, what happened?
I was like, oh man,
Gotta try it.
gotta try it. Gotta try it.
Oh, shit. No.
This was good.
Delicious. Good.
I would definitely make it again,
For real.
and I would make my shell even crispier.
And if you never tried it, I'll go try it. Excuse me. Damn. Like, why? Wait, like,
You.
can I beat it off?
I mean, I'm not shocked, but
You act like that was a lot.
I know.
That was a lot, family. Did y'all see it? 4 slices, but they thick. My first lady.
But
What do you expect?
the kids, them, like I said, when I made it, the kids were like, "Oh man, this is so good." I was like, "Really?" Because in my head, I'm like,
It's good.
"It's just ground chicken." See, but when it's all put together, it's
Bad.
very good. But if you taste it individually, you're like, "Oh, okay." And one thing, be careful. Don't over season the ground chicken, turkey, whatever you use.
Also, we use veggie chunks, whatever you want for the vegetarians.
Even meatless.
Meatless.
There's refried beans, cheese. That's it.
Oh,
Fried meal.
see that? Every time I do that. What I'm gonna do right now? Calm it down.
Oh my gosh.
Word of wisdom. Ooh, that's good.
That was good, guys.
Family, sometimes you have to fight a battle more than once to win it.
Don't I know that? Jesus Lord.
Family, sometimes you have to fight a battle more than once to win it. Put it in your own words. Thank you for tuning into the show. Yeah.
Excuse
You
me.
finish your piece of mine?
Full.
You full?
I sure am. I sure am.
My first lady full? That's right, first lady full. First lady gonna go no more. She said she full, she's full.
I'm full.
Oh, excuse. This was delicious.
Oh, excuse me. Wow. What a burger I'm doing, honey.
Don't forget, since you're still there, to like.
They still there?
Yeah, they're still there.
Okay.
We shared. And if you're new,
Whoa.
welcome to the greedy couple. And they are first lady?
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Bye.